Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing well, very well. Here was a good trade which I have just taken and set break even in my VIP. The same trade is almost in now 50 plus pips. Alhamdulillah, I have taken this trade in my premium channel as well. The signal was posted in VIP channel and the live trade running in front of you guys. I am now at break even at this area. After that area, I am setting break even and taking partials. Okay, when I took parcel, you should have to take parcels as well. It's now 50 plus pips, and in my ratio 1 hour trade, executed in my VIP channel and my. Okay, guys. Bin Laden, hello, how are you, brother? Hope you guys are doing well. How was your trading day? Are you in a profit or in a loss for today? Have you taken any trade in London session or Asia session? Then let me know which was the results of that trade which you have taken. Remember that this live session will be very important for all of you because in this session I will continue to trade live with you guys. So this will be an opportunity for you to learn with our. Okay, it will be a massive opportunity for all of you to learn from your mentor while taking live trades. In this way uh, you can improve your market view cycle. Okay, it's very important for you guys to learn how to watch the market, how to read the market structure, and when you have ever learned from your mentor, then there is no chance of any regret or any kind of confusion in the market. Chandrayaan IK GBP that is sell profit $70. Congratulations, bro. If you have to sell position in GBP NZD and made a well known profit as well. Now this trade is 1 ratio 2 RR. So I am taking partials again. So I am now break even and my liquidity target is this high. I'm not targeting the recent high or all time high. I am just targeting this high as my final target. Okay. Soon I will clear the charts and going to start reanalyze the whole market in front of you guys. And I will try to catch some possible entries while till the anime session ends. I will try to take 2 or 3 trades in front of you guys. Then we will see how they are going to hunt profit or maybe hunt sell because it's market. So we cannot guarantee any kind of profit. Remember that my life is I am here for just learning purpose only. I'm not here to share any kind of proper signals, any kind of uh, trades with you guys. I'm just here to analyze the market in front of you guys, share my view for the market or for the pair, and you guys can take your entries according to your plan. Okay, let other people can join so we can anticipate the next move of the market. And yeah, we can expect that there is no technical involves in gold market only just moving according to the fundamentals. So it's very rare to do some trades according to your strategy, because in gold trades there is no strategy working right now. Here you guys can see almost a 50% profit in front of you guys. When I come live, the price was at 4038, and now almost after my live session, it's almost moved 60 pips right in front of you guys. It's a reality. It's not that I am marking anything else. There you go. My target is about to hit guys. I am targeting the 4036 level. Let me show you guys the signal from the VIP as well. Here you guys can see there was a trade which I have placed in my VIP channel, and you guys can see the results in front of you guys. There you go. Almost target is hit, and I have just grouped 120 pips with 1:3 RR positive trade. It's a reality right in front of you guys. Gold almost moves us 100 pips after my live session begins. Let me update the trade in groups as well, so we can talk about the next structure of the market. Hold on, guys. No need to be panic. There will be a few more trades in this session, in this live session, from where you guys can take benefits for yourself. Which way we thank you, bro. My trades are awesome because I am just trading time with price. I am not taking any random trades. That's why my all trades are looking very same and easy to trade, easy to understand. That's what a real mentor can do for their students. the most of time and Chandrian, thank you so much for your compliment, bro. Which way the most of your time your SL is small and when compared to others. That's what I can do, bro. Even I hit SLs, it's no matter how far the SL was. I am just try to trade what I am seeing. Like this in front of you guys, I have taken trade at right. Let me show you guys. I have taken trades right 15 and 20 to 25 minutes before this trade. I have and this trade hit 1 to 3 hour within just 30 minutes. And that's the reality. Remember, you are still struggling while to catch any kind of setups. It takes a months and a years. And you know why? Because no one is ever taught you how to read these kind of structures in the market. No one have ever taught you that how the market algorithm works, how the market moves, and what the reason behind every movement of the market is. And that's what you have to do. You have to learn the reality and the secret and the algorithm which is working behind the markets. Yeah. Also, you guys can see I am flipping my accounts day by day in front of you guys, taking live trades and taking offline trades and sharing the results in my public channel. That's why it's not luck, guys. It's just I have spent years in the market and I have taken experience after losing to now. It's my time and I am able to make profit in the market, and I just trying to all of you guys to learn the same method which I have used to be a profitable trader. Remember, 25 October at the same day I am going to launch my mentorship. In that mentorship, I am going to teach each and every concept which allows the market to do so. Remember why I have targeted this liquidity. You guys can see after taking that liquidity price again going to fall almost 40 to 45 plus pips. That's why I know which liquidity is going to be target. Now this is a strong resistance level you guys can see. You guys can see after taking the liquidity price fall like a waterfall. Why this happens? Because I know the secret behind this high and no one else can do that. Remember that. Let me clear all this and again let me show you guys the structure behind it. Here was the last high which have broken by the market. After that high price respected this order block. After that order block price is still going towards the upside and it's almost in the discount and premium session. It's the price is now in the premium section as well. Here was the CRT candle and price almost for now at least going to close above that high. In the daily time frame you guys can see a huge buying momentum in the market, so there is no reversal pattern or reversal confirmation till right now. I will see whenever I will have another trade I will share in right with you guys. Okay. Let me share the H1 setups as well. So now, what's the reality, guys? Let me show you. This is the last all-time high level, all-time high, and you guys can know that price is easily in these days. Price easily can break the previous highs. Amir, thank you, bro. Excellent buy entry. Okay, here is the all-time high, and here is the sell side liquidity. Here is the sell side, and here is the buy side. Price have taken this buy side liquidity with M15. Remember, I have taken this trade according to the SMT. Price have formed an SMC divergence with this low and this low. Then I have entered and executed my trade after this CISD happens right here. Okay, so I can still target this all-time high as a liquidity, but as I have marked before that, I am just targeting the nearest liquidity right now. Chandrian, bro, why are you not giving any free trades in Telegram? Bro, because most of people don't know what they are getting in free. There are a lot of irrespect of my work which I was providing in my public free channel. When I see a most of disrespect of my work, then according to my mind, I don't need to provide any free setups with all of you guys. But still, I am providing some setups in free channel, but I am just sharing a, analysis of my setup in my public channel. And I am not providing any proper setups. Right here, here is the sell side liquidity still pending. Right now, I can see there is a sell side liquidity pending right below the market, right below this lows and this highs. There is a liquidity pending right here and right above that high. There is a buy stop pending and there is sell stop pending. Okay, price tap into discount, taken the ERL right here. After the ERL, I can switch. I can see that price taken the IRL right here after that ERL. Now I have this liquidity below this low and below this low. Okay, and I have a buy stop liquidity right here. There is a buy stop liquidity in front of above that high. So price either can take our all-time high buy stops, then reverse to take sell stops, or either can take the sell stop, then again will continue to take the buy stops liquidity. For now, for me, there is no entry right now. Right now, I don't need to switch into the lower time frame to see the lower time frame structure, because my already one take profit is hit, and I have taken my ratio 3 hour as well. So I am just waiting right now to price to manipulate and accumulate. Then I will try to retrade the distribution phase as well. You are the best. The fact that your S minus is always small is amazing, mentor. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for your kindful words. But you guys have seen that right here, right here. Whenever price hits my target, it's again fell down like a waterfall. Why this happens? Why my targeting liquidity was the actual liquidity? That's what the algorithm says. That's what you have to understand behind the secrets of every swing high and every swing low. No mentor in the world will taught you these secrets instead of me. And I am going to teach you all these things right in my upcoming mentorship. This is the secret. You guys can see after hitting my take profit target, price fell down like a waterfall. It's not normal, and this is not a random. This is a pure price algorithm. You want me to analyze any other pair right in front of you guys so I can see almost. Let me see that for the Euro USD as heard. Yes, please NAS 100. Okay, bro, I will try to trade NAS 100 as well. But right now, as I am not interested in trading NAS 100, sign house, please analyze USDJP. Okay, bro, no problem. I will analyze USDJP as well. First of all, here is my buy side liquidity, which is still pending. After that, I will go to the CISD. That CISD price have taken this URL. Okay. In daily time frame, I have this range. This is a accumulation phase for me. Okay, guys. This is accumulation phase for me. And here is my sell side liquidity pending. Okay, there is a network. Okay, guys, let me see. No, the network is clear, guys. You are facing any kind of issue, guys? This is what I guess I can say that, guys. After taking the exact liquidity target, price fell down like a waterfall. This is not normal. When stream is stable, let me know, then I can continue the marking the structure. Guys, network is clear, let me know. Okay, I have this accumulation phase and a 4 hour time frame, and here is my sell side liquidity pending right here, and buy stops pending right above this high. Okay, this is accumulation phase in H4. Again, I have this buy stops pending right above this high. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna trade use 30 towards the buy side till these buy stops and these buy stop will be triggered. Okay, after hitting these buy stops, I will trade price to have a manipulation phase right here. After this accumulation phase, I will have this manipulation phase right here. After this manipulation, I will trade this distribution phase and target this 3 bar swing low, which is a daily time frame liquidity area. Okay, I will target this low as a next liquidity tool. For me, a shorter term, I am going to see price to hit these buy stops right here and right above these high. These are my initial liquidity target. After that, I will see price to manipulate. After the manipulation, whenever I will see the distribution, then I will trade price to make a distribution till this low. Okay, in H4, you guys can see after that price have clearly hit this breaker block area. After the breaker block, now in let me know the M15 structure as well. Here is the CISD in lower time frame. Yeah. If this candle will be closed as a bullish, then again price will reverse this low, then I can trade the buy execution, or I will simply wait for price to hit these buy stops, and then I will look for a bearish structure. Okay, this is what I can see in the US 30. NAS 100 will be the same. Mostly US 30 and NAS 100 traded the same direction, but I will simply suggest you guys to see what price can do. Here was the buy stops. My bearish structure is still pending. Buy stop hits already, and my buyers were still bearish. Here is the my sell stops. Okay, here is the SMT. And here is the sell stops. After that, here is another sell stops. So all these have a accumulation phase, right? After this accumulation, price is not doing manipulation. Here is the turtle slope. Okay. After that, let me see an H4 hour. Okay. Now what I can see, here is the SMT above this high. Now I will look for price to give me another SMT, which will be right here. Price will take in US 30, price will take this bias of liquidity, and NAS 100 will be fail to take this high liquidity, and I will simply trade this high to this low as a bearish structure. Okay, this will be your massive trade for me. I am looking for NAS 100 to trade instead of trading US 30. NAS 100 trade looks very clean and very simple, so it's more easy to trade for me. Okay, in H1 time frame, let me see. Here was the TBS right above here. No problem, same as expected. This is all a manipulation phase. Sorry, right here. After that, I have this breaker block. Okay, now this is internal liquidity above this high. After that, I'm looking for price to hit the you guys can simply see that how price hits my buy stop and buy side take profits, price either falling down like a waterfall. This is the reality, and here was the reason behind that trend. Let me show you guys. Here is the SMT formation happens. Okay, for now I have to wait for price to break this low. After that low, whenever break in H1, price needs to break this low to have buy side liquidity here. After that in H1, I have this premium and discount, and price still have in a discount session. In a premium and discount, I have this FPG. After the FPG, I have this CISD. For me, it will be better to look for a bearish structure until price will not take this low and this low. Okay, Malik Shani, he sir. Hello, bro. How are you? Come back to NAS 100 again. And here is reconsolidation phase. This will be your high probability entry level. Okay, this breaker block and this CSD will be a high probability zone for selling. Okay, this is your market structure shift. Okay, network is okay. That's very good. So hope you guys are learning very much from my live analysis. This is your market structure shift. Banjura, because of some personal life businesses and personal work, I am unable to do live analysis every day, but I still tried my best to come live every day so you guys can have some knowledge. I will try my best, bro. I will try my best. Mobile. I have muted my mic, bro, because I am updating the trades in group. So you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, almost 5 minutes. Let me reconnect with all of you guys. So I am back again, guys. How to check breaker block and SMT properly and trade. I will make a soon a very deep inside information, and I will record that video and post onto my YouTube channel. Okay, so you guys will have the clear information how to read the SMT and how to read the structure. Come back again on gold right now. There is 8 minutes left to close this H4 candle. So this H4 candle will be a very informative and important for us. Here is the FPG. Okay, and here is 3 bar swing low. Okay, some of you was asking me to analyze the USD JPY. So there we go. Let me see the structure of USD JPY as well, so we can trade it. Now for the USD JPY, we see DXY pair to see the correct SMT. Here you guys can see there is a lot of manipulation in weekly time frame and in monthly time frame. Monthly FPG right here. Monthly old high. I will shift to the weekly. SMT is just you can say that two classic pairs. From one of them will take the liquidity and the second will be ignored to take the liquidity. That's in the simple words. This is your SMT divergence. Okay. Okay. In the weekly time frame, I was have this strong liquidity which is already purged. I have this FPG as well in the weekly time frame. I have this OB. It's a Tuesday high. I will look for price CRT high and CRT low. After that, I will have a. I have just missed it. And here was your take profit target. But no worries. I will reiterate it. Price forming an SMT. If this candle will be closed below this FVG, then this FVG will be converted as IFVG, and I am gonna trade USD JPY for sales from this IFPG. Okay, this is 1 a.m. 1 a.m. high in M15. I have this market structure shift. Let me see. There is a London high, and in M5 I have this turtle slope, this market structure shift. Okay, after that I have this liquidity purge, again a market structure shift. Okay, I have these buy stops right here. Okay, bro, I will show you the examples in charts as well. Hold on for a few minutes. Let me. I am bearish in USD JPY, guys. Okay, and let me find a gold trade. There is 3 minutes left behind that, and within 2 minutes, sorry, after the 2 minutes, if price close above this high, then I will be bullish, and if it will be close below that high, then I can look for some retracement. But still, I am going to target the recent. There is a 50-second tag left. After closing this candle, we can again look for some another structure. Bro, in which time frame we have to look for liquidity? For me, price mostly follow the algorithm of H1 and M15. You can mark M5 as well. It's all depends on your trading method and your trading psychology. It's all depends on how you trade your setups. Some of you will be profitable after marking H1 liquidity. Some of you will be profitable after marking M5 liquidity as well. It's all depends on you guys. So price closes below from the previous candle, but still in H1 you can see in H1 I have no liquidity above side for now. But in the lower time frame, let me see if price have taken this low. No. In N15, Yeah, I have this SMT right again. I have this CASD level. After that CSD, I am gonna trade it in M3. We can again target this all-time high because I need a buy side liquidity purge which will drop price to the lower. And still I don't have any buy side liquidity purge right here. I have this liquidity purge here only. After that, price have not taken any buy side strong liquidity level which can indicate price to go lower, and that's why I am still waiting. Yes, I am sure that I will be coming live from today. Okay, so you guys just have to like as one candle is just now. If this candle will be closed above, then I am going to trade the 9 a.m. candle till the low. Okay, I have this liquidity purge, market structure shift. After that, in a month, I have this breaker block for entry purposes. In H4, I have a massive drop down candle, Tuesday high. After that high, this is my FPG. This whole will be my accumulation phase. This candle is going to my accumulation phase. After that, I have this FPG as a 50% of CRT. Relative equal lows here. Sure, I will trade. I will show. I will see. Hold on. For me, I am still waiting and watching. This will be a good entry for me from this PPR. You guys can see gold is going towards the upside, and we can target. I am bearish in USD JPY till this sell stops and till this FPG right here. I am bearish in USD JPY. Okay, are you guys have understand me what I have just shared the information with all of you? I am bearish in USD JPY. You can place the SL above the recent high and target the 50% of CRT candle. You can target this FPG or you guys can target the 50% of CRT candle. Okay, it's all depends on you guys. It's all depend on you guys. Okay, I will check, bro. Hold on. Please check the trade setup and tell me the mistake. Today I took trade in USD JPY and take SL. Can you see trade setup CRT at 4 hour time frame, 70:00 time and 1.00? Okay, bro. Let me check. I'm checking it for you. FXCM in at 4 hour time frame, the 17.00. This is the 17.00 and this is 1 a.m. You have took the trade at 17 and 1 a.m. 17 time frame candle as a CRT candle and 1 a.m. candle as sorry the 21 p.m. candle will be as a manipulation candle, and you was going to trade the distribution in M1 candle, right? Let me see, guys. Let me check this for you. First of all, here was your key level. Okay. After that, you have to mark the CRT candle. Here was your CRT candle, CRT high. A CR high and CR low. Okay, and M15. In M15, you guys can see there is a no clear expansion. Expansion like you have a massive move towards the downside after liquidity purge. There is no liquidity purge in this whole 21 p.m. candle. There is no liquidity purge in the lower time frame. Like maybe you have marked this candle as a CISD candle and you have took positions from this area. You have placed the SL above this high and target the CRT low. Maybe this was your concept, right? But you have to see the liquidity purge before taking entry in the lower time frame. Like here is my liquidity purge in the lower time frame right now. That's why I am taking my sell position, because I have a liquidity purge right here, but here is no liquidity purge before the CISD. And if there is no liquidity purge, there is no entry. And once again, you have a clear bullish setup and bullish CRT right here. Remember that you have to understand a daily consecutive candle behind the secret of the daily candle. You have a accumulation in the first phase of the candle, manipulation in the second phase of the candle, and distribution in third and fourth phase of the candle. If you don't have a accumulation in first phase, you will have accumulation in the second phase, and then third phase will have a manipulation, then fourth phase will have a distribution and reversal as well. This is all PO3 concept which you have, which you of course which you don't have, but is a PO3 concept. You have to learn this PO3 concept before taking any kind of trades. Take a look at gold. Sure, bro, I will take a look at gold as well. Gold have taken the buy side liquidity right here. After the buy side liquidity was this SMT, which was caused price to move above. Okay, now let me discuss the Euro USD as well. I have to take my own trades as well, bro. So I have to look for other pairs as well. USD JPY, all done with USD JPY. Oh my god, I have missed this trade. I have marked this trade yesterday and I was going to trade this setup. Of course, no worries. I will look for another trade right now. First of all, I have to see the Euro USD in. I will clear the setup again. you have SNC divergence right here. Another SMT right here. This is your weekly range high. After that, I am there was your market structure shift, and here was your entry from this FPG. And of course, I have missed that trade. No worries, there will be a more chances and more setups. I have this liquidity pending for me. There is a liquidity in for me above these highs. After taking these highs, I will be again looking for sell from this FPG. Okay. What I am looking for now, I am looking for price to take these buy stop. After that buy stop, I will be again looking for sells right here. Okay, guys, this is what I am going to trade. Here is my key level. After that key level, I have this M15 structure. What was the structure? Structure was right. This is a market structure shift. This is a turtle soup. After that, you have this breaker block. This is your breaker block. This was your market structure shift. I will be again looking for buy from this OB. I will be bullish in. Okay, guys, I will be bullish in GBP USD from this order block. Okay, from this order block, and when our price will reverse to this IFPG, I will be looking for buyers. Again, let's come again to on gold. Price still have not taken the resistance level, and again I will say I have still this pending sell side liquidity below this low, which can be taken. Market structure shift, and this is your FPG, and here is another FPG above this line. Yeah, it can drop, guys. Maybe if anyone wanna take risk towards the sell side, he can from this area, but it's a risky trade. Again, it's a risky trade because it's against, this trade is against of trend. It might be a risky trade. Let's see, it's a risky trade if anyone wanna take risk from this area, because here is the IFPG for me, and here is the FPG right above here. There are possible sell. USD JPY. I am taking risk at this trade. You guys can see there is a 40 plus pips right within 5 to 10 minutes. If you have taken this trade, set break even and close your partials, because it's a risky trade against our trend. So I will not recommend you guys to take this trade for long term purpose. Okay, you guys can just pick your profit and just sit back and enjoy. This is all buy side liquidity right above here. This will be a very much good trade for me. Okay, and let's see what NAS 100 is doing. We will have, you guys can see there you go. You guys can see the profit, how it comes up faster and faster. This is almost 100 pips within 5 to 10 minutes, guys. This is 100 pips profit within 5 to 10 minutes. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. You have ever seen these kind of fast income profit anywhere else instead of GFR? Anywhere else, guys? Anywhere else did you have seen any kind of fast profits like this, like we have taken? This is what I always said, guys. There is no price, there is always time. There is always time to take. Guys, please, I will recommend you guys to close 80% and take partials as well and set break even for all of your trade. I am out. Alhamdulillah, guys. Summa Alhamdulillah. Yeah, see, price have taken this low liquidity also, but I am still waiting for price to take this liquidity. Now I have still sell side liquidity pending. I want price to hit that liquidity. Okay, USD JPY is still pending. GBP USD is still pending. इसके ऊपर डबल टैप करो, डबल टैप करने के बाद फौरन आ जाएगा आगे.